In this session, we're going to discuss how to create an inventory transfer for a stock order. So here I am at my location number 2, and I want to initiate a list of items that I want to get from another location. So off of your main ribbon, you're going to go to Utilities, Inventory, and then in here, you're going to start searching for what you want to create your list off of. I'm going to go over to my tires and wheels, and let's go find some tires. So step 1 is I'm going to hit search. So I pull up my entire listing of tires. Okay. So to see what the other locations have, all you simply do is hit the little drop down below the binoculars and you hit transfer group. So when you click that, then what it will do is it will add another column here called network. So if I look at my network, this will tell me which other locations have any inventory and how much they have. So if you notice here, I have some tires that I don't have anything available. I have 0 in stock. So let's say I want to get a couple of different tires and bring them over to my store. I highlight the line and I come up to the top to inventory transfer. I select it. I pick which location do I want to order from. I'll use location 1. Hit next. Now I'm going to tell the system how many I want to get. So let's just say I want to get a couple of tires. The system will automatically create a request number. So I hit finish. Now I have a choice. If I want to go ahead and immediately send this request, I can, or I can add to this list. So I'm going to save for later. Now let's go find another tire. Let's just say I want one of these. Again, I highlight it, inventory transfer, select which location, hit next. Now you'll notice there is a request number. See, it automatically generated the number. Now I tell it how many I want of these. Finish, save for later. So let's say I want to get something else. Maybe I want to get some oil filters. Over here, let's go pull up some oil filters. I hit search. And then I hit my drop down again, transfer group. Now I can see what do I have in stock? What do the other locations have? So let's get some oil filters. Inventory transfer. Location 1, they're the only ones that have that number. I hit next. And let's get a couple of those. So once I get to the last item, then at this point here, I can immediately send this request over to that location. We're going to save this for now. I want to show you exactly where this is located at in the system. So I'm going to close this up and we're going to go over to purchases. So as I'm building that, that's going to be sitting under outgoing requests under purchases that are in progress. If I hit search, there it is. Let's double click and open this up. So there's my tires, there's my filter. Now if I change my mind on something, let's say I don't want to get that tire, that's fine. I just click and I can delete it. What if I want to get 2 tires? Well, I can do an edit and I can change my quantity here. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and send the request through. Now what it will do is it'll take a minute or 2, but it will go over to the other location and it will notify them on their messaging. So we're going to hit send. And now we have completed the first part. So here I am in location number 1. I have a notification of a message here. So if I click on that, it's going to open up. It's going to let me know I have a transfer request from location 2. Now if I simply click on this, this will actually take me over to the purchases to that actual transfer request. If I don't want to do that, I can go to purchases and open it up. Either way, it takes you to the same place. So if I select it, here's the request. Now I'm at location 1. Location 2 is ordering this. Am I going to ship these amounts? You can also change it to a back order status or cancel if you don't have it. So let's say I did not have 2 filters to send them, I only had 1. So I can simply go to the line, tell it how many I'm going to cancel. If I want to cancel all of them, I just put in 2. I'm going to hit tab on my keyboard. You'll notice that it has a pink background. See, it's letting you know you've changed it. Once I'm ready, I can go ahead and tell the system ship. Ship is just notifying them to let them know that they can have it. And you can also print a packing slip if you like. You can email it to them, say, hey, we're going to ship it. Do a preview and a PDF or export to Excel. So we're going to ship the item and let them know it's on the way. So what actually transpired is back here in the purchases, we had an incoming request. We'll go to completed here since we did finish shipping it. And we did ship it off. Now this won't mark totally as completed until they receive it at the other location. See, so if I open this up, it's in a what we call a shipped status. So let's go back over to location 2 and see how to receive this. So I'm back at location 2. I have a message that popped up here. Click it, letting me know that it was shipped. Training 1 shipped it out. And this letting me also know that there was line or lines canceled. So again, I can click here, takes me back to it, or I can go straight to the purchases and pull it up. Let's go to the purchases and pull it up. So we'll go to purchases. Here's my outgoing request. Let's search and see. See, it's letting me know it got shipped. So once it arrives, all I simply have to do is open this up, and I'm just going to check it in. I'm going to receive it. So as soon as I hit receive, it puts it directly into inventory. And now I'm done. So that's going to be a completed transfer. There we go. That's how to do an inventory transfer for a stock order.